Now I'm going to show you how to create a simple scatter plot. So what we're interested in is to um, do a average of overall satisfaction versus the other attributes. So attributes such as ambience, availability of bank, washrooms, cleanliness of the airport, etc. So first thing I'm going to do is to find overall satisfaction. I'm going to drag it here, right? And I'm going to drag so what I want is actually the different measure values, right, which is all these things versus overall satisfaction. So I'm going to drag measure values here, and you'll notice that a lot of things come up. There are some things that may not be very relevant. For instance, count of airport facilities. So I'm going to throw this out, right? Basically, we want the scores. We just don't want little things coming in. So I'm going to remove some of these things, right? That are the outliers, and it's not going to be, you know, useful. And so these are the things that we have left. But if you look at it, it kind of looks a bit messy, right? Too many colors. We want actually to maybe denote the different dots using colors, right? So what I'm going to do is to throw in measure names to color, and immediately you see a multitude of colors, right? Maybe we'll want to actually put it as circle, right? Probably easier to see. And I want to actually have um, a trend line. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to show filter, right? So what showing filter does is actually allows us to kind of dynamically change the data. So I can select one, right? Or I can select everything else. So let me do this as well. I'm going to put in trend lines. So click on one of the points and right click, show trend lines. And you'll see that, you know, the trend line is being shown. If I have two dimensions, trend line is being shown here. And that's how I create a dynamic scatter plot.